Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a couple of photos to show you, and I have two photos of what could possibly be triangular shaped UFOs to show you. So this right here is, I'm seeing a lot of information and gathering some data on UFOs that were shot in Vegas and video footage of it, even on the news and stuff. So stay tuned for that this week. I got a full video coming up on that. But what I want to show you is some people that said they saw some triangular shaped UFOs, which is what you're seeing here. This person shot this one photo at night, so it is a little bit hard to see. But once you enlarge it, you can kind of see a boomerang shape around it with the lighting and stuff, or maybe a triangular shape. It looks like it probably has possible 4 lights underneath it. And then when you kind of change the shading of it, you can see more of a design of what could be a boomerang or triangular shaped craft. And I thought this was interesting. When you start getting these photos and not try to do a lot to it and just change the brightness and darkness of it, you can see more around the silhouette of the craft and what its shape actually is. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. I thought this was pretty interesting here. And then there's another person who stated they saw a triangular UFO, and they went in and grabbed their phone and they caught one photo before it shot off. Now if you look at this, it looks like 3 streaking lights, but it could have been just shooting off as he was taking it. He barely caught the photo of it. And when you kind of go in and play with some of the images, basically meaning I'm just kind of light and darken them up, you can't see the shape like you do in the other one, but this was taken more towards the evening and not night. And these could be 2 entirely different craft, but I wanted to show this to you guys to get your comments on this photo, the first photo and the second photo. And then this third photo, someone said that they were taking photos of a storm that was coming in Mexico. And when they took it, they saw this right here. And they had posted this out on their Facebook. This is a couple of years old, but I thought this was interesting to show to you guys. This is going to be one of the photos, and then this is going to be the second photo. Now, there was a whole news thing on him. He said, no, I didn't fake it, and there were other eyewitnesses that saw it, but I thought these were interesting to show to you guys as well. You basically see our typical saucer-shaped UFO kind of tilting at an angle. It was probably getting ready to shoot off. I didn't get the order in which the photos were taken, but you zoom in, it's a little bit distorted when I start to zoom in, but you can definitely see a saucer-shaped craft. And the same with the second photo he took. For you guys that want to see the size of the craft, you can see that house down there, but when you zoom in, you can see this as well. Now, the only thing I'm just calling a little bit suspect on, this is a storm, you kind of seem like the sun may be reflecting off the top of that, but that's just my opinion of it. I'm not an expert on this, but I do show this to you guys to kind of get your opinion and stuff on that. So put your comments down what you guys think about this. I know it's kind of a short video, but I have several other things coming up that I'll be showing to you guys pretty soon, some more of this weird stuff that people have caught. And then also, if you guys want to support the channel, there's going to be a link in the description. There always is, for t-shirts and stuff too. So as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.
You